Hey, sweet friends, happy spring. I absolutely love spring. Spring brings renewed energy, growth outside, beautiful colors into our lives, and also a time where we feel the need to purge and clean the things that no longer serve us, or just cleaning up the inside of our homes. We come into life in the spring with renewed energy. So today I'm going to propose for you how we do that internally. So anything that has a filter system to it, so follow me here, you're going to enjoy this. Anything that has a filtering system to it, if you've ever noticed, those filters have to be changed or cleaned. So our oil filters in our cars, our air filters in our homes, our coffee filters, hello, daily, our water filters, anything that filters must be cleaned. Well, what about our internal organs? What about our liver that's constantly hard at work filtering internal toxins and the toxins that we expose our body to from the outside world? So since it is spring, I thought it would be the perfect time to share with you the idea and proposal that you guys do a liver cleanse with me so that we can detox our bodies and get our systems functioning optimally so that we can be vibrant and vital and enjoy the benefits of an awesome filtering system. Hey, sweet friends, my name's Lauren Valentino. If you're new here, welcome. Consider subscribing so that you do not miss any of the awesome training that I do here. I put out a new training every week so that you can crush your fitness goals. I help women with their nutrition and fitness so that they can thrive and rock it in bodies that they're madly in love with. So if you're new here, welcome. I'm excited that you're here. All right, so today we're going to chat about the liver and cleansing the liver. So with regard to the Chinese medicine meridians, spring is the season that is associated with our livers, our gallbladders, and also in correlation with that, the element wood, and then also the emotion anger. So when our livers are burdened with extra toxins and a little heavier, not filtering good, we may experience anger faster. So I think that it is awesome in this season if you can really just be mindful of doing a liver detox every spring. Works beautifully with our energy systems. And so I want to share with you exactly what our livers do. Because if you don't understand internally how important your liver is for your optimal function, then this is something that you will never choose to do. So I wrote down some fun facts about the liver that I think is so valuable to share. You guys are going to learn something today, and I'm going to share those with you right now. So first of all, the liver is our second largest detox organ, only second to our skin. So our skin is constantly working to filter what's outside versus inside and detox our bodies, but our liver is second. The next thing is that our liver is a bloody organ. So it is constantly full of blood because it is filtering our blood. It holds up to 10% of our blood volume, which is amazing. Our liver manufactures bile. So bile is the substance that our body makes to break down dietary fats. So bile is made in the liver, it's stored in the gallbladder, but it is constantly manufacturing bile so that when we eat something fatty, our bodies can break it up so that our small intestine can pull the nutrition from it and utilize it. So if our bodies, if our livers are loaded down, we are not going to be digesting at our optimal level. Okay, very important. Liver is also responsible for controlling our glucose. So if you're working really hard on your fitness, on losing weight, and that is something that is not coming super easy to you, it may be time for you to consider a liver cleanse, okay? So our bodies are constantly maintaining those levels of glucose and of ammonia so that our bodies don't get toxic. The liver is the only organ, this is gonna blow your mind, liver is our only organ that can regenerate itself. So you can donate part of your liver, okay, for a liver transplant. And you can be left with just 25% of your liver, and within 2 weeks, it will have regrown to its normal size. That is unbelievable. So amazing. What an awesome, awesome organ. Okay. And then our liver's constantly cleaning. Like it's the housemaid that never gets a break. And so you're like, okay, well, Lauren, what do you mean? Like, what is it cleaning? Well, first of all, it's constantly filtering our blood. But there are two types of toxins that our liver is hard at work to protect our bodies from. The first one is exogenous toxins, and the other one is endogenous toxins. So exogenous toxins are things that we put into our body or expose our bodies to. So alcohol, okay? Anything that is a chemical in our foods, our livers definitely sort those out. Any type of medicine, prescription meds that we take, our liver definitely works hard to detox those things. And then endogenous, you're like, okay, what do you mean? So endogenous are toxins that our body produces by metabolism. So our own hormones, our stress hormones, there are interactions going on all the time and byproducts of our own body's making that our liver works to clean, okay? Super cool, right? But our liver is in control. So too much overloading of endogenous toxins is going to slow down our metabolism. It's going to slow down how our body filters and processes our own hormones. It's going to, so with the buildup of this, if you have excess, right, then our bodies are going to feel the overload from it. So sluggish brain, not losing weight super easily, finding yourself being more angry, more grr is something that you should be super mindful of because your liver is talking to you. So I'm going to give you some examples of your body telling you it is time for a cleanse. You may be experiencing digestive discomfort. So if you eat something, you experience bloat, you're burping, your system is like, ugh. It is time to consider a liver cleanse. If you're craving sweets or starchy foods, salty foods, your liver needs a detox. If you have frequent anger that you can't really tie to a certain stimuli, then it is time to detox the liver. If you have dark circles under your eyes, that is another indication that your body is a little backed up with toxins. Itchy skin. So any type of skin issue. So again, remember our skin is our largest detoxifying organ, our liver's second. So if you're seeing toxins through the skin, your skin's itchy, irritated, dry, scaly, that sort of thing, it is absolutely vital that you consider a liver detox. Difficulty concentrating. What'd you say? Liver detox time. Struggling with weight loss, as I mentioned earlier, trouble falling asleep. It is time for a cleanse, my friend. All right. So there are definitely different levels that you can choose to come in on your detox. The lowest level would be for you to start out your morning each day with room temperature lemon water. Let that hit your body first. Lemon is an awesome detoxifier. It is alkaline. It brings our body's alkalinity up, and it is awesome for just pulling toxins from our liver. I also, in this blog on my website, I have listed 2 different juice cleanses that you can do. It is a mixture of items that are proven to pull toxins from our livers. So those are 2 awesome recipes. They taste great. You can either go into a juicing shop and order that, or if you have a juicer at home, that is awesome. Just whip that up every day for a week. So you'll start with your lemon water, and then you'll go into your green juice, your detoxifying juice, and then you can continue your day as you normally would. Stay super hydrated, that's very important. And then also I have listed in this blog 2 different supplements. One is a tea, and then one is a supplement that have different Ayurvedic herbs that will help to detoxify your liver. Now, it's important if you really want to go all the way in on a liver detox, and you're going to know if you should. Like, it will resonate with you. You'll be like, okay, I get it. I should probably cleanse on a deep level. So I have a full list here, and I'm going to read some of these off to you so that you can just be mindful of them. Maybe next time you're in the grocery store shopping. But if you want to go full in on a week-long detox, I've done this. I've felt amazing. There's a list of foods that you can pull from in that week. but it has you eliminating a lot of things that stress the liver. So it has you eliminating animal protein. It has you using rainbow vegetables, okay, rainbow color, eat the rainbow of vegetables, seasonal fruit. It has you eliminating caffeine if you're able to. If not, then it has you shifting to green tea instead of coffee. Eliminating grains, nuts, soy, things like that are stressors to our livers. Okay, so my favorite supplement is on the blog. It is a supplement that's key ingredient is milk thistle. So milk thistle is awesome. It's a great, powerful antioxidant. It is also anti-inflammatory, and what it does is it helps your liver not to get bound up with toxins. So it has a key ingredient in it called silymarin. And what that does is it helps to pull toxins out of our liver so our body can excrete them and they don't build up in our livers. That is not a supplement that you should be on long term. You should use it again seasonally. Use it for a season, be done with it. Not something to live your life on, but it is awesome. And there's no harm, so don't worry about using it for a season. But I think things like that need to be rotated. So that information is also on this list, but I'm gonna share with you a few of the vegetables that are awesome for cleansing your liver. Again, you can find those in the link right here on this video. But they are asparagus, they're artichoke, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, chives, cilantro, cucumber, fermented foods, of course, so good for you, garlic, leafy greens, and those are going to include kale, chard, collards, dandelion, beet, etc. So anything green, leafy, awesome. Green beans, mushrooms, okra, parsley, onions, zucchini, watercress, radishes, and peppers. So these things are all proven to really help your toxic load with your liver. So you can detox, you can be vital, you can be vibrant, and you can enjoy the benefits of having a fresh filter. So if you grabbed value here, I want to hear from you. Let me know if you have questions, drop them below. Make sure that you like and subscribe so that you don't miss the weekly content so that you can go be extra awesome. Enjoy your cleanse, and I'll see you next week.